Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Abdallah Bugundara. In this video gonna explain the app of United World College. Let's start it. This is the login page. Let's skip it for now. Let's go to the register. And this is the register page. Here we put an email. Wait a second. Let's put any email like this. And here we put a password. So we know we should to put the password create 1176. This will be create a group of chat. I will show it later. We should to put the password create 176, and he put the name of the group, like anything, group 1. Let's say group 1, and let's press save. And user. So here we put the username, we put it, let's say group 1, and the password we put it create 176. That will be create a group chat. I'm only gonna show it. I press login. So this is the home page. Here you can post anything. Let's go to chat page. The password will be 2015 45. Look, they create a new group. I name it group 1. Here they will chat with the other student or teacher. Hello, how are you? And I'm sorry if my English is bad. So let's go to apply. Here the student from any country can apply to this college, of any college, as we say, of United World College. Here he will put here photo or picture. Let's say it is this, and here he put her name. Let's say test 1, and her place of her living. Let's say Algeria. And here he put about him, let's CV as we say, and here he put day of the birth. Let's say 10/8, and here he will put an email. Let's just say it test, and here he will gonna choose her country. Let's say Algeria, and they will press apply and wait until they show him a message successful. I'm gonna show you how to do it, and this we're gonna do a management. This for a management. The password will be 7544. So let's start with the absent. Here the college can add the absent of the student. Let's say her name is test 1, and here they put the notes. Let's say 10 a.m. sorry. And he pressed send. Here they're gonna save the student absent, and if he want to delete it, they just press it. They will delete the student. Delete successful. And here the post, where the student can post anything. Sorry, I have problem in my PC. So here the student, so here you can post anything. Let's say hello, and put the image of the post, and press post, and wait into the show you message successful. Look now, they post this. My internet is too slow. So let's go to the next one. To apply. Here they show you the country and the name of the apply student, as we say. And here you can see her name, her place, her about him, her day of the birth, her email, and her country. And you can press accept, send email. They will send an email to him, and or you can do reject. If you press reject, they will be do it into the red one. It's mean you are reject him. And this is accept the student. You press accept, they will show you here. And this is the report here, where the student can report to the school. I'm gonna show you how to do it. This is a library of a book. Here the student